guy knows what he's doing. Not a lot of room to work, but he's making it work. The man's been at it 16 years, he said. It's not real easy to pull these Class A's, especially me being in a bad position. How we doing, YouTube? This is Randy the Mobile Traveler. Well, here I am again, working on the rig. The last video, I said this thing was a lemon. Guess what? It's still a lemon, but it's my lemon. So, why don't you come on back? We'll have a conversation about making lemonade. Okay? Okay, I told you, I'm gonna make lemonade. So how do you make lemonade when you got a rig like mine? You put a dash, I was gonna say you put a dash of this, a dash of that, a cup of this, a cup of that. But what it's gonna take is a whole handful of luck, because what I'm doing is, instead of fixing my motor, which would be an act of Congress, and it would, from what I gather from all the estimates I got, so on and so forth, you're looking at anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000 to fix this motor. Well, I don't have that. So I opted to put in a different motor. I had found a used motor, and they've given me a 6-month warranty on it. The only problem is I got to take it out, take this one out, take the old one out, and then transfer it into here, which I've never done before. I have never replaced a whole motor before. I've worked on parts and pieces, but I've never replaced the whole motor. But that seems to be the easiest, cheapest way to go. Yeah, I've had nothing but problems with this motor that I've had in there, so I'm going to change it out. Anyway, I started by doing this. Now, how I knew it was bad is, number one, it locked up. Yeah, see, I've been working. See my grub hooks? It locked up. It smoked. And then I checked the oil, and this is what I found. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. The discoloration. Here, let me wipe it on my fingers and maybe you can. Anyway, it's this is how you tell whether the motor's bad or not. You see that? Well, there you go. It's gray. My oil is gray. And it's full. The add line is right here, but the oil was way up to here. See that where my finger is? So that means water got into it, and it's gray. That oil has a gray tint to it. It feels watery. So that tells me that oil and water are mixed. Not only are oil and water mixed, but yeah, there's little silver shavings. So that means they get either a cracked head, or the rings are shot, but somehow water got into the oil. Oh well. Well, ain't that crap. We all know that oil's supposed to be dark, not gray. A lot of people told me that's because there's metal shavings in there, along with the water, along with the oil. Could be. I don't know anything about that. I just know that it's bad. They told me, oh God, motor shot. First thing Scotty did when he saw it, he's like, oh, this ain't good. Dave looked at it, he says, yeah, new motor. So anyways, that's how I'm going to be making lemonade. I'm going to put a new motor in here. Or as they said, new to me motor. You guys hear them chimes? That's coming from the Zen tree. And some days when that wind's blowing, it ain't very zenful. Light breeze, and it sounds pretty cool. Anyway, I am sitting at the property right now. Aja, is allowing me to stay here and work on it. Work on the rig. There's still a few people around. So, I'm not alone. I'm not at 8,000 feet. So it's probably a good 10 to 15 degrees warmer at night, which is very good. Anyway, I don't know, you guys seen the, it's a nice little area. I don't know if you can see around, it's, there's some bushes and trees, and it's pretty serene out here. It's actually pretty nice. Okay, coming back to this mug. Yeah, there's going to be some people out there that say, God, you didn't clean up, you didn't shave. Well, there's still a few more hours of daylight, so I still got some time to be working on this motor. I'll show you what I've done so far. Yeah, taking that front clip off, that wasn't that tough. I mean, it was, I've been working on the radiator now, and that's proven a challenge right now because my arms just aren't long enough to reach up there and get everything off. But that's why I'm taking a break talking to you guys, kind of regrouping. Anyway, just a minute. My trusty Mountain Lightning. If nobody knows what Mountain Lightning is, it's a knockoff of Mountain Dew. Yeah, this sucker's gonna purr by the time I'm done with it, I promise. Or I hope it will be. The people I've talked to think that it's a good idea. That I, change it out instead of buying a different rig. Sure, I could part this thing out, but you won't get out of it what I got into it. And just for a little bit of money, I can buy me a new motor. Well, I shouldn't say a little bit, But I did find the motor. I haven't bought it yet. In time, I'll get down there. Hopefully it's still there by the time I get paid or whatever. But that's what I'm doing, people. That's what I'm doing. Making lemonade out of this lemon. Mark my words. It's going to be neat. Not only have I never done it before, but hell, I've never done it before. All right. You guys, thanks for watching. Just a quick update on the happenings of me and my nemesis, the rig. Okay, y'all have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.